Erie County Health Department is implementing a new process designed to change the way vendors pay for a license. But the change has some event organizers concerned. Ron Hilliard joins us now in the control room. Ron.
Sean, the Erie County Health Department inspects the vendors for food and drink at the different festivals and fairs that we have across the county. But they say they also are doing it to streamline the process. Erie County Health Department says in recent years they issued more than 700 licenses for vendors. The old way of doing things meant county employees would inspect the vendor spaces and then collect the money on site. The department says sometimes vendors were not around or did not have the money. Now coordinators and organizers of the events have to obtain an application and collect the payments from the vendors themselves and then submit it to the health department.
We read about on a fairly regular basis somebody absconding the funds.
The fees are going up from $35 in previous years per event to $40 for 1 to 2 days, or $80 for up to a week.
We did increase our fees to be more consistent with what all the other county health departments in Pennsylvania do. Instead of charging per vendor per event, they actually charge based on the number of days that the vendor is going to be operating or the length of the event.
Organizers say that some events have more resources like paid staff, but these volunteers say this new system could be a strain.
We don't have time. We're just volunteers to put on this event, and we don't have time to do that part of the process. They've been doing it for years.
If we don't know about an event or we aren't prepared with a number of staff to be there, we can't conduct an inspection, and the public could possibly be at risk if people are not following safe procedures.
County officials and the volunteers at the fairs are meeting at the Blasco Library to learn about this new process as well as share their concerns. And as we spoke to some of the volunteers, they said they either want the county to directly go and collect the money, or they'd like the vendors themselves to directly pay the county the money. Sean?
All right, we do have a crew at that meeting. We'll have much more on this later on tonight. Thanks, Ron. Appreciate it.